Hello and welcome, Greg here from Rex and Volkswagen, proudly showing you today this range-topping Volkswagen Tiguan Black Edition, finished here in striking and upgraded Cipressino green metallic paintwork. There's loads to enjoy here with key highlights including these upgraded IQ Light Matrix adaptive LED headlights in the front with illuminated grille and logo, as well as these York design gloss black alloy wheels that will contrast the paintwork beautifully. In the rear there are also signature shaped full LED taillights with illuminated logo and light bar. Whilst keyless entry and electric tailgate is available, revealing an absolutely practical load area, and that's even before you folded down the rear seats. This model also benefits from a retractable tow bar with trailer assist, and inside you got fully upgraded Vienna leather upholstery with blue piping. In the front there are also decorative door and dash inserts and upgraded front sport seats that will also offer full electric adjustment with memory massage functionality. Driver can look forward to operating this leather-wrapped multifunction steering with paddle shifts, operating the digital cockpit, and there's even a heated steering wheel on offer with customizable dials, allowing you to change the look altogether and display trip information, adaptive cruise control, and even sat-nav mapping ahead of you, whilst head-up display is projected directly onto the windscreen. This larger 15-inch screen is an absolute joy to use, unlocking easy-to-pair Bluetooth telephony with FM and DAB radio, as well as built-in sat-nav that can be displayed on both systems at the same time. Wireless Apple Carplay and AndroidAuto will certainly come in handy, as will the helpful Area View 360-degree parking camera system. Assistants I mentioned earlier can also be easily operated from the center screen if you prefer, and there are also selectable drive modes on offer with multicolor ambient lighting that will really stand out when traveling at night. As I mentioned earlier, massaging front seats are available with loads of features to choose from that will come in handy on those long, tedious journeys. And there's a fully adjustable sound system with ChatGPT. Whatever the weather, 2-zone climate control is complemented by heated and ventilated front seats with wireless induction chargers on offer too. This has been a presentation of the brand new Volkswagen Tiguan Black Edition that is now available to purchase at our dealership. For more information, don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today.